Okay, once you've installed UV, simply UV init and type out your project path. Here I'm going to create my project in my external SSD, give it a name, test_Marimo, hit enter and it's gonna initiate a new project. Done, and you should see a new project folder here. When you navigate to your new project, you'll see these files. So now we are back in the project folder. We don't have Marimo yet, so UV add Marimo first. Done. If you check the project file, you'll see Marimo there. Go back to home directory, clear everything. Now let's navigate to the project again. UV run Marimo edit. Create a new notebook. Let's save it as main.py. Option S to save the notebook. Just name your save file. Check your file name here. Let's try installing pandas within the notebook. Shift enter to run the cell and your prompt to install pandas. Now we are installing pandas with UV. There we go. Depends on the package. It may take a while to load. Let's try if pandas works. Yep, it works. Shut down and try again. Clear everything. Quit terminal and start all over again. Go to terminal. Before we navigate to the project folder, let's take a look at the project file. You see pandas already installed. Let's go open the notebook we've just created. UV run Marimo edit the notebook file. Main.py is loaded, but sometimes the passcodes didn't. But anyhow, just make sure you save your work and it'll be fine. Alright, I'll just quit. And that's about it.